We all have the power to visualize the desire that we want to create in our physical reality. But why is it that we've got the likes of Conor McGregor, who is able to manifest so effortlessly, and those who are perhaps good or average or need a bit of work? Why is that? Guys, this is the video for you, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my website here below. Welcome back to my channel. It's Annie, your psychic limitless mindset manifestation coach. So guys, I have launched this channel to bring you the educational knowledge from top psychics, spiritual masters, and to just really give you an idea as to who I am and why I decided to launch in the public and what it is that I do. Like, how does a top psychic spiritual master help people or aid them in terms of their manifesting state? How is it that we're so different? Well, if you head over to my website, you'll find more information about me. But in this video in particular, I really want to explore and give you some insight as to why we have those in the public eye that are so effortlessly can manifest. Not an issue, it can happen. But those who perhaps need a bit of a tweak, a bit of a change, or really bring themselves up. How and why? So let's start with senses. Your senses are so important. The seeing, the hearing, the feeling, the knowing, and even the tasting. Yeah. So all your 5 senses are working on a day-to-day basis. Now, the reason why we have people like Conor McGregor, who is able to manifest so effortlessly, is because he naturally has that energy about him. So him being presented with The Secret, the book, really reinforced what he already had from within. That's what he did. So it was a tool that reinforced his energy. So just how he's naturally gifted to manifest and tap into that state, it's the same way as me. So I'm naturally gifted to tap into energy, pull down validations from the non-physical dimension, know where your manifesting state is at, knowing how to keep you on track, knowing how to get behind your inner state, and even knowing how to raise your vibration within your physical body. It's no different. I mean, there's no average Joe out there that can do that. But what we can learn from the likes of Conor McGregor and those ultimate manifestors is a series of techniques, a series of insights that I'm about to share with you in this video today. So when we get behind mastering our senses, and I do this a lot with my clients, right? I do it in the form of what's called guided meditation. Now, guided meditation, you have to be very extremely careful of, because if that person does not hold a higher vibration in their voice, then it's not really that effective. It's not. I bet you didn't know that. So the whole purpose of a guided meditation is to bring you out from this physical reality into a non-physical dimension. So it's a dimension where we take you on a journey for you to connect with your soul, with your energy. Now, the reason why one needs a higher vibration to aid this is because ultimately it's going to be so much effective. So when I'm doing it with my clients, if I'm allowed to validate and see what you're seeing, I do that. Sometimes my clients have seen me in their meditation, you know, whether it's just playing with the water or playing with something. They're like, Annie, were you doing this? And I was like, yeah, I was. So there's a lot of crazy stuff that comes out from a guided meditation. And why? Because I naturally have that energy to connect through. So guided meditation, in a way, helps you to really get behind your own energy, helps you tap into, or what part of the process are tapping into your higher consciousness. And what better way to learn how to tap into your higher consciousness than one that's mastered it, truly mastered it. So as you're evolving your senses, you are also what I call spiritually evolving. So the universe loves that. The universe, divine, God, your higher consciousness, they love you spiritually evolving. They love you getting behind your inner state and you're knowing that you're a spiritual soul in a physical body. And when the universe starts to recognize that, hang on, this person's evolving, I quite like this, the universe will reward you. It will bring about signals and signs from your current manifestation, and it will show you, you know what, we are quite impressed by what you're doing. So it will give you signs like perhaps a white feather, perhaps it's a music lyric, and I did explore this on my YouTube channel. So the signs to look out for when your manifestation is coming through. So that's how the universe takes an active role. It takes an active role, not only helping us to manifest, but also grant that manifestation, but also helping us spiritually evolve, which is so, so important, guys. So important. So going back to Conor McGregor, he did an interview with Tony Robbins many, many, many years ago. I think he was like 24, 25. And he was presented with The Secret. And when he was presented with that, he shared with us how his reaction was, you know, take this away. What is this? Take this away. But what he didn't realize at that time, when he received the book, The Secret, was that it was his tool to activate his manifesting state. That's what it was. So later did he realize, oh wow, like The Secret, like the stuff in here, it does work. Of course it works. But for him, it activated his manifesting state. So when I'm doing the exercises with my clients behind tapping into their senses, the tools that we are presented to give you activates not only your senses, but your manifesting state. So one of the exercises that I'm going to give you guys to do is do something where you want to manifest something every day. Do it. So people are like, what is Annie talking about? What, to manifest every single day? Like what? So one of the examples that I'm going to give you is I go to the gym near enough every day, and the gym that I go to, there's hardly any parking spots. Like, believe me, even in the day. So what I do is I go into my manifesting state, I tap into my senses, I do my visualization, and I say to the universe, please give me a parking spot. I only want to be at the gym for an hour. Give me one slot for 1 hour. And I do that every day. And as I do it every day, I'm strengthening my senses, I'm strengthening my manifesting state, I'm strengthening my visualization, and I'm working with the universe. Well, I do that anyway when I'm like psychically plugging in with people, but it's nice to do an exercise like that to know that the universe has got your back. Another visualization, guys, that I'm currently doing is I'm visualizing, I'm handshaking Conor McGregor. I'm like, hey, Mr. McGregor, how are you? I'm Annie. I'm a psychic, spiritual master. I have an extraordinary ability in terms of psychic and mediumship. I'm able to raise the vibration within the physical body. I'm doing X, Y, and Z. I'm doing all this stuff. And I just wanted you to know. Plus, I know the edge about manifesting that perhaps would interest you. The top secret. Yeah, but that's the conversation I have, guys. Like, ooh. So guys, think of something that you want to be manifesting every single day. Something that you want something to show up in your reality. Do it. Because what you're doing is you're strengthening your manifesting state. You're strengthening your senses. And you know what? It's just come to me now, actually. I think Conor McGregor did the same thing with the parking spot for the gym, or yeah. So do it, guys. There is method to this madness. So one of the things that people don't realize is when you utilize a top psychic, a spiritual master. When I mean by spiritual master, I mean that one that's very highly advanced in their psychic channeling, and it's very rare to come across one. But when you do, it does fast track your inner growth, your spiritual growth, your manifesting state so much. Because the clients that come to me, it's always about navigating them through in their manifestations, seeing what's a bit more ahead. That's all we have. We have more of an edge to see just a bit more, 10 steps more, but also helping you tweak your manifesting state too. Yeah. When you're ready to learn more, head over to my website here below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. Like, why would you delay yourself? Why? Time is the most valuable thing that we have. It's not money, it's time. So you want to fast track yourself, and when you're ready to do so, check me out and register your interest. Until then, guys, see you later.